will try it. It feels delicious. Tomato sauce, really delicious. And potato. Yummy, 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 yummy. It smells really like, and I will also want to try it right now. Hi friends, today we will prepare some delicious food. It will be meat, it will be chicken with potato, with onion, and also with tomato and pepper. So let's go to prepare it. Okay, so first of all we need to cut our potato. So we will use like this shape for baking. So first of all we need to cut our potato. It will be better if it will be the smallest one. It will be better, and it will be prepared in a less time. You can use a sweet potato if you want, but I use just a regular potato. For me it's better, and also it's better for my family. So my family better like regular potatoes than a sweet potato. In this case, you will see like this one, and for this like pieces, it will be better. It will be tasty. If you like meat dishes, I also have on my channel, I have several delicious food, delicious dishes with meat and potato. I also like this mix, pork or chicken with the potato. For me, it's really delicious. You can find a lot of really delicious dish in my channel. So if you like something like special, but not so hard, if you like some easy cooking, you please just subscribe to my channel, and you can ask me any question in the comments. So you can leave any comments, and like I will ask you in the short term. So I have two sons, and one son really like potato, and other one like pasta. So and for me it's every time I need to prepare like two dishes. One it is from potato, and other one from like pasta or I don't know, some spaghetti. So if you like spaghetti, or just like leave a comment. What do you prefer, like spaghetti or potato? Because he likes mashed potato and fried potato, like French fry. So in general, I need to prepare several dishes. One for other son and another for my youngest son. This size, and we need to put it in our dish form. I will use the salt. Just a second. So I have a pink salt. If you want, you can use any of salt. Yeah, so any if you want, any if you like. But this one, it's like Himalayan. I think it's like healthier, or like it's maybe better than garlic from Walmart. Use the parsley, and pepper, black pepper or red pepper if you want. Maybe I will mix it like this one, so it's better. I'll mix it on my hand. It smells. It smells really good. So we need to cut our onion. I use a regular onion, and also I use a sweet onion. Sweet onion, it's better for like salads, and also it's better for kids. If you don't like a regular onion, you need to buy a sweet onion. It's better. It tastes better. It's not a strong taste. I also use a red one. I really like this red one for salads, and we put it on top of the potato. This one. We use a small like baby carrots. Like this one. It's really delicious. It's like small one. So you need to buy like big one and cut it. So I will just like use this one. You can use a red one, red pepper, or you can use a yellow pepper, but I prefer red or yellow. It's more tasty for me. So one is enough, I think. If you like more, you can use 2 or 3 pieces. Also we need to add salt. Also I add garlic powder, a little bit parsley. For the dish I use chicken. Let's, you can see like chicken like quarters. It's no antibiotics. It's really delicious and healthy. For my family, we like to eat chicken and also like eat pork or beef. But for this dish, I will use only chicken. I need to wash it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 8 is enough. So I need to wash it. I need to add some salt, pepper, and I will put on top of my vegetables. You know, I have some like special tip, like, you know, it's really fine. On a regular cold water, but you need to clean it. First of all, salt. I will use the salt. You can use any like seasoning. What do you prefer? Like salt, pepper, or maybe like some seasoning for the meat, and maybe some small seasoning, pepper, black pepper. Chicken or pork. I enjoy to prepare some food for my family. I really like cooking, and also I like to cook some sweets, but in general, for the main dish, I like to prepare some like dish from chicken or pork. My kids doesn't like fish, so we eat fish really seldom. Maybe like 10-15 years ago, I live with my parents, and maybe like 12 years ago, I live with my parents, and we eat fish maybe like each weekend. But in general, I think it's like better to have some like fish dish in a regular like maybe like once a week. I think it will be better to receive some additional like vitamins and amino acids and something like this from a fish. But in general, right now we just prepare beef, pork, or chicken. Not too much, but a little bit because sometimes it's spicy. What do you prefer? Chicken, pork, or maybe fish? You can leave a comment and I will ask for any of your questions about any recipes, this one or maybe other ones that I have on my channel. If you like to cook, if you like something like interesting, something like easy, just subscribe to my channel and follow me. I will try to prepare something like special and easy for your like special event, or maybe for any like day, like any like dinner. Or so it's garlic and I think I will use for any of my piece of the chicken. Really good. It smells really like, and I will also want to try it right now. But okay, we need to wait a little bit. So my oven is enough right now, and finally I need to mix it. The smell is really good. So maybe I will add a little bit parsley. Okay, I think it's enough with the salt, with the seasoning. So finally, we need to put our chicken, vegetables, into 8 pieces, and I think just to try to put dish. Okay, one more, like this one. Okay, it's really good. So finally, we need to cut tomatoes, sour cream. I will use several like spoons, like big 1, 2, like 3, 4 pieces. Lots of water, and I need to mix it. So I mix water with my a little bit like fresh dill. I was really surprised. This one cost for this pan is $2. I don't know. I think it's like really expensive, but in any case, I really like it to add to any salads, to soups, And also, I like to add it like everywhere. It smells really, really, really good. But I need to try it to grow it in my backyard. Also, like on the bottom to my potato. I just tried. It's like a spring soup. I like it. It's really healthy because it's just like sour cream, salt, clear water, and dill. This will be like really, really delicious for my family. Yummy. It's the next one, next step. I will just try to put it over here. It smells like really, really good. So I'll try to put it everywhere, but it's really, really like a spring soup. Do you like a spring soup? Do you like did you enjoy like soups? Because I think soup should be once a week. I think it will be good for health, for stomach. It will be our tomatoes. I will cut it on this way. I also I prefer from farmers market, but this one it's from a regular store. But in any case, it will be really, really delicious. I like tomatoes, and I also like red one, and I like a yellow one. In general, yeah, I like tomatoes. It's more tastier during the summer, but I'm really happy that I can buy this one during the winter time. This dish, it's really good for Christmas Eve. More delicious if you will prepare it with your family. It's really good time. It's really like to spend the time with your family during preparation, during the cooking. You can talk with your family, with your kids, with your parents, with your friends. It's really like positive energy for your food, because your food will be really, really delicious if you will prepare it in a good mood. If you smile, if you think about something really positive, transfer to your positive energy will transfer to your food. We can put it on top of the chicken. I try to put it in this manner. Winter dish, but in general you can try and you can prepare it, you can cook it in any time of the year. During the summer, during the winter, during autumn and springtime. Also it is for a big family. I have me, my wife and two boys, 13 and 17, and I think it will be enough for several days. I like to cook, but I not like to cook every day. I like to eat every day, but I don't like to cook every day. And what do you prefer? To cook at home, or you go to a restaurant, you go to some cafe? Please leave a comment. What do you prefer? So right now I finish with my tomatoes. A little bit salt, not too much. Do you use a pink salt? If yes, just leave a comment, because sometimes I use regular one, white one. Sometimes I use a pink one. You add a little bit oil. Okay guys, finally it's enough, and we can put it in my oven. It's really heavy. Heavy dish. So we have 400 Fahrenheit in my oven, and we need to put it for about 1.5 hours, but we need to check it periodically. See you. So when I waiting for my chicken, I will try to taste a little bit wine. Cheers. I really hope that I can send you my love, my passion through my videos, and you will receive a little bit heat from my fireplace. And I want to say thank you that you will watch my videos from start till end, and I will like that you will enjoy it with me. And I really like to make something special for you, and I really like when I use it for you. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It's almost 2 hours, and I think it's ready. Let's try one piece of this one. And I need to add a little bit potato and some carrots. Okay, I think it's enough. Looks really good. I want to try. If you like it, just like push the like button. You can like write me any comments. I will try it. It's really delicious. Tomato sauce, really delicious. And potato. Yummy. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and push the like button. See you in the next video.